Good morning, everyone. My name is Jamie, and I'd like to welcome you to our first ever Facebook Live showcase, where we answer some of the most common questions about custom challenge coins. Hello, everyone. I'm Jamie, the operations manager. When you submit a design, I see them and I get them to our designers. Our talented team takes those references and ideas for your coin and makes it into something amazing. Challenge coins are a very personal thing, and we strive to bring your ideas to life. Even better yet, exceed your expectations and make that idea that much better. A coin that everyone will want. So today we'll talk about one of the most commonly asked questions by many of our followers on social media. How much do custom challenge coins cost? But before we proceed, let's talk about how this renowned tradition started. The origins and history of challenge coins are confusing. Nobody has a definite answer about the first challenge coin or when the tradition began. There is some debate on the true origin of challenge coins. The earliest versions go back to ancient Rome in the times of Julius Caesar. A Roman denarius was a silver coin used to pay soldiers during this time. Some coins were specially minted, featuring marks of the legions from which they came. By some accounts, a few soldiers kept these coins as mementos of their service. While this isn't exactly what we consider a challenge coin today, the idea is similar enough to consider this an important part of challenge coin history. Now fast forward to World War I, to a story that may or may not be legend. A lieutenant commissioned a set of solid bronze coins for the pilots under his command. One young pilot placed the medallion in a small leather pouch that he wore around his neck. After being down behind enemy lines, the Germans took all of his clothing and identification except for that pouch around his neck. After escaping to a French outpost, he was accused of being a spy due to his lack of identification. To escape execution, the pilot presented the only identification remaining, the coin and the pouch around his neck. Fortunately, one of the French soldiers recognized the insignia, and France delayed his execution. Once his identity was confirmed, he was returned to his unit. Now, where does the term challenge and challenge coins come from? In World War II, soldiers developed what you might call a coin check. The challenge can happen at any time and begins with the challenger drawing his coin and slapping it or placing it on the table or the bar. Everyone in the unit who has been given a coin must immediately produce it, and anyone failing to do so must buy a round of drinks for everyone. On the flip side, should everyone be able to produce their coin, the challenger must buy the drinks. Another tradition that has evolved over the years is the manner in which the coins are given, often through a handshake with the coin inside the palm. Throughout history, challenge coins have symbolized camaraderie, loyalty, and pride within the armed forces. Each challenge coin tells a unique and meaningful story. The history of the tradition may be vague, but custom challenge coins have become an extended tradition in the modern world. Not only do special security forces like the military use them, but firefighters, police departments, and even big corporations have custom challenge coins representing their unity. Awesome, right? Now stay until the end of today's live event, as we have prepared a special treat that may help you on your future challenge coin projects. Now, back to today's agenda, the much-awaited Challenge Coin Showcase. Check out these super cool challenge coins we've made for the different sectors that make up our country. The Bastard Bravo Military Challenge Coin, the Indianola Police Department Police Challenge Coin, the St. Florine Firefighter Challenge Coin, the White House Communications Agency Government Challenge Coin, the Mecca Warehouse Commemorative Challenge Coin, the Jeff Road University Challenge Coin, and the Applied Research Lab Corporate Challenge Coin, to name a few. Base costs range anywhere from 64 cents to over $10 per coin, depending on important factors such as order quantity, coin size, and metal plating. Additionally, coin side coloring, edge design, and other upgrade options may contribute to the total order cost. Talking about coin upgrades, there are some that you can use to enhance your challenge coin, but they also increase the total cost. Some cool upgrade options are glow-in-the-dark enamel, edge engraving, translucent enamel, matte enamel, epoxy, and sequential numbering. On average, engraved coin edge messages cost 70 cents per coin, while glow-in-the-dark, translucent, and matte enamel are only 20 cents per color, per side, and per coin. Another key factor that impacts the cost of challenge coins is the quantity ordered. As a general rule of thumb, the larger the order, the lower the price per coin. This is because many of the initial setup costs, such as mold creation, are fixed and can be spread over a larger number of units. Therefore, ordering in larger quantities can be a cost-effective strategy for organizations. Thus, many organizations are encouraged to buy in bulk. However, you can still purchase custom challenge coins in smaller amounts, but that will drive up costs significantly. With custom challenge coins, plating choice is an important part of any design. While we have plating options that you can choose from for free, other high-quality, paid plating option upgrades work better in maintaining the strength and boosting the aesthetic appeal of your coin. Some of the free plating options are polished nickel, polished gold, polished copper, polished brass, and black nickel. On the other hand, plating option upgrades that come with cost are antique nickel, antique copper, antique brass, antique silver, and polished silver, each costing around 35 cents per coin per order. Antique gold is available at 60 cents per coin. Apart from plating, edge options also play a big role in aesthetic and the feel of the coin. Some free edge options that we offer are standard flat edge, rope edge, spur edge, and chain edge. Other edge options that come with the cost are the bevel edge, cross-cut edge, and an oblique line edge for 35 cents a coin. The reeded edge upgrade will cost 65 cents respectively. Interactive coins like movable spinner coins, realistic 3D coins, and bottle opener coins also have additional varying costs. To help our customers better, we have created downloadable template guides that you can use to help with the design process. This design guide provides a ready-made outline that can help you speed up your challenge coin design process, saving you a lot of time. We will share the link below in the description. Lastly, high-quality packaging protects custom coins, an asset for challenge coin collectors. Plus, challenge coins in mint condition will accrue more value as time passes. All custom coins come with complimentary PVC envelopes. But you can always upgrade to coin capsules, velvet drawstring bags, acrylic cases, or velvet boxes for the packaging. Coin packaging starts at 25 cents for drawstring bags and goes up to $4 for velvet boxes. You can also purchase coin stands for just 49 cents. If the coin design matches your specification, any design revisions after 6 will cost additional. Having a good idea of what you want is good practice, so research coin options ahead of time to save on additional costs. Our team of amazing artists is here to turn your ideas into a custom metal work of art. To accomplish this, we just need details, images, ideas, and colors that you want to include in your coin design. We'll take care of the rest. To help, we offer 6 free revisions after the initial proof to make sure the design is exactly how you want it. While there is a small fee after the 6th revision, most customers don't need more than 6. Here's a pro tip. You can submit multiple revisions in one request, and that will only count as one revision. Now, designing your challenge coin can be a bit overwhelming. That is why you must pick a good manufacturer that has an experienced team to help you every step of the way. Here at Custom Challenge Coins, we've been producing challenge coins since 2003. All of our customer care team members and artists have gone through extensive hands-on training, and every design and order goes through rigorous checks to ensure that we have every detail correct on your challenge coin. Now, for today's special. To honor the U.S. Navy on its 248th birthday, we're giving away an awesome treat available for all challenge coin orders in October. If you'll order challenge coins from us, your next challenge coin order will automatically qualify for a 30% discount deducted from its base coin price. Minimum order quantity should be at least 25 coins for both orders. Our customer care team will let you know of this promotion's terms upon ordering. So tap that link on our description and use the promo code CCCUSNDAY23 on our quote form to qualify. Have more questions about us, our ordering process, or anything about challenge coins? Send us a message. We'll be happy to help. The fastest way to get started with your challenge coin project is to fill out a quote form with your design specifications, or chat with us on our website. Order now with our exclusive promo code to save on your next coin orders.